What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Puente Hills. Haven't been here in a while. Let's go take a look, man. This is the Back to the Future mall. This mall's pretty worthless, to be really honest, but they do have one dope store. Let's go look. And I haven't been here in forever. We do have the Champs outlet right here, Champs clearance store, Champs whatever. They don't really have a name for it, but yeah, this is the Champs outlet. Let's go look, man. We found some insane deals here in the past. We're already starting off with some dope deals. Look at this. These have been fire. I've grabbed so many of these, just giving them out to random people. Random people or family members, you know, giving a bunch of these out because these are just so comfy. So freaking comfy. For $10? $10? Man, that is fire. And you do get flex points here. You can use your flex coupons. Pretty dope deals already, man. All sales are final here. I do see signs like that. And yeah, apparel deals have always been fire. They got a bunch of sneakers too though. Let's go check out sneakers. Do got some LeBron 19, LeBron 19s, LeBron 19 lows. Do got some Air Max 97s. And this got tons of suede on it. This is fire. Normally $180 down to $150. Well, these have been hella cheap. Oh my goodness. So Air Max Plus, Terra Escape colorway. Some Manoas here. Manoas, these normally are what, 85 and they're down to 60. Okay. I was like, what? Like these aren't usually that much, are they? 160. Air Force boots normally 160. Okay. Not the craziest Nike selection. Dude, got a few more Prestos. $50. Not too bad. Normally 130, so over 50% off. Not too shabby. NMDs going for dirt cheap. Man, $60. Got these bad boys too. These are one of the newer NMDs, aren't they? Yeah, the NMD V3s. Going for dirt cheap as well. Okay. Do got another V2 right here. This was definitely interesting. It says the brand with the 3 stripes in 50 languages. Okay. No, wait, never mind. It says, I'm reading the Korean right here. It says 3 lines life. So 3 lines life, or 3 stripes life. Okay. That's actually pretty nice. Dynasty 4s going for 80. That's not the greatest deal, to be honest. Got more and more NMDs. These are the V3s right here, and then this one's not too shabby. Don't have to worry about the boost changing color or anything. Another one of those. I glossed by this one earlier. This is the South Park one. Not too shabby. Forgot which character this was. Was that Butters? I don't remember. I don't watch South Park too much anymore. The 4D things right here. Normally 160. $100 off, man. And then Ultra Boost too. Ultra Boost going for $100. That's not too bad. And T-Max too. T-Max on sale. Oh, is this an Iverson collab? I didn't know that. I did not know that. Okay. Oh, okay. Got a couple of New Balances 574. These are the ruggeds. These look like the ruggeds. Yeah, the outsole's like super thick on these. Not too shabby, but look at that one right there. $40. 50% off. I'm not digging that colorway too much, but $40, really? Damn, that's not bad. Not bad at all. These are up to what, $80 now or something now? All the new ones are coming out at. Puma suede's down to $20. All black. You really can't go wrong with all black right there. And what's this? What the hell is this, dude? What is this? 65? Man, what the hell? Some of y'all gonna be like, man, those are useful as hell for the snow, huh? I have no clue what these are. Flow Velocities. Some UA shoes right here. By UA, I mean Under Armour. Got a few Under Armours and then some Machinas right here. Got some, what the hell are these? Hover Rise. Got a bunch of Under Armour stuff, to be honest. Never seen so much Under Armour at a Champs. Endorphin Speed 2s. I know these are some serious running shoes. Normally $160 down to $80, so 50% off, not bad. Converse. Toon Squad Converse, and then some ripped ones right here. Rest of the Converse right there. Some Chucks. Chuck Taylor's down to $40. Vans going for $40. And then these, what, skate highs? Is that what these are? The skate highs. Okay. Alright. I think that's about it for the men's, to be honest. One last interesting find for you guys. 100 down to 40. These are the human race slides with the boost on it. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're moving on to the women's. Do got the kids over there as well. Checking out the kids section real quick. Iversons. Yeah, it's the cheapest we've seen these in a while. Kawaii 2s. It's the Moreno Valley edition. Oh, that's his birthday on the tongue right there. It's funny. 574s. Got stuff like this. Nothing really too hyped. These are interesting because these are over $100, something like that. So if your girl or your kid needs one of those. And then look at the champion section right here. Like, that looks so freaking so warm. All these go for $10. $10 freaking dollars. Like I said, I bought a bunch of these. I've given at least 10 pairs away just to family members, friends, and that type of stuff. Just such good deals. Such good deals. Checking out the women's section now. Air Max 97s. Look at that one. Half price for that one. Huarache's going for hella cheap. Man. That one's going for $100, all black. Oh, got some Jordan, technically, because these are the OGs. Okay. And just got one of these hella bright Prestos. That's about it for the women's. Do got plenty of other women's stuff. Just nothing really worth looking at, to be honest. Not that I see. Let me know if I miss something. Dang, look at that, man. They just got new Mitchell and that stuff. Yeah, it's obviously not as cheap as Ross and stuff like that, but yeah, they got the Raptors, and then they got Shaq jerseys right there. Those 80, a little pricey, but look at that. Look at that, $50 for Mitchell and S. No, I'm sorry, that's not Mitchell. A Nike Swingman. Dang, that's the city edition right there. Then they got the Mutombo jerseys. And then what's this one in the back? Oh, is that a Clippers jersey? I think that's a Clippers jersey. That is fire as well. Those the starter jackets or the Mitchell Ness? I don't know, but $60. $60. I think that's the traditional Lakers one in the back. Got the Pro Standard pants right here. We've seen that at a few champs now. Then they got the gold ones going for $30. That is fire. Fire. I did grab one of these, the black ones. They ripped. I need to get it altered. Yeah, they got medium and large, $80 down to $30. Got the Pro Standard shorts right here. I think these are all $30. Lakers, that's a little too much color for me. They got UGG shirts. Oh my god. It's just as soft as the what's called those boots that they got. That is insane. What are these normally? Normally $78 down to $60. Okay. They got hoodies too. Not hoodies, sweatshirts. My bad. Sweatshirts. Hoodies up there. Okay. Checking some jerseys right here. DeRozan jerseys. $110. Oh, these are all huge. Never mind. These are all huge. Dang it. All triple XL. Look at this. $30. $30. Okay. Man, dude. These would be fired. But does DeRozan even play with them still? I don't know. I don't keep up with all the stuff. That's smart that they put that right next to it. That's smart. Dude got Toon Squad, Mitchell and S jerseys. These going for $30. What am I doing? What am I looking? $100. That's a medium. That's not necessarily for me, but it's for somebody. It's for somebody, especially at that price. Got some cross colors. I know some people were like, what? Because I did get my Tupac shirt here. It is a cross colors. $20 for their hoodies, their pants. Not bad. You know, they do have a bunch of generic. This is like nice for $10. For $10, hella nice. Damn, normally $7. This is Champ Sporting Goods, their house brand. But that's a nice looking jacket for $10. Dude, that is dope. Man, that's hella cheap. Maybe it's in the wrong section because these are all t-shirts. $10 seems hella light for that. Check in the front section right here. They got poofy jackets. Vans poofy jackets go for $100. I don't know the original price. They got hoodies and stuff for $40. These hoodies normal what, $70, I think. That's just my guess. $60, my bad. $60 down to $30. $9.99. T-shirts. $20 for these t-shirts, I'm assuming. This is actually nice quality. This is super thick. That's a super thick shirt. Vans fan, that's what's up. That's dope. They had a bunch of Chinatown Market shirts, stuff like that. I don't see those anymore. $5 for Champ Sporting Goods t-shirts, kind of random colors. More cross-color shirt with the hella bright shirts. I was seeing if they have those Tupac shirts that I got. Like, those were fire, dude. Those were fire. People still ask me where I got those and stuff. I think that's the highlight. I think that's the highlight right there. Mitchell and that stuff. $50 for LeBron jerseys. That's hella cheap. $60 for the Raptor jerseys. That's not bad either. Well, I think they got Lakers ones in the back too. It's that splatter paint material jersey. I'm not the biggest fans of those, but $60 for that. Those jackets go for $60, and then they have the black and gold ones, I think. I can't really tell which, but it looks like the black and gold ones. And then all that stuff for $30. I think that's the highlight, man. That's the highlight here. Still finding stuff, man. Did forget to show what I'm wearing. Kobe 1 Protros MPLS. Fire, dude. I freaking love these, man. They're kind of beaten up because I've jacked them up, but these are still fire. Got them for hella cheap at the outlets when people weren't on the Kobe's like that. And then wearing a tank top. I'm wearing a tank top. It is nice and warm outside, which is funny. But yeah, that's it. That's it. I think we're gonna wrap it up, man. I think we're gonna wrap it up, dude. Let's go. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Sneaker selection, okay. We've seen it go up and down. I was talking to the workers about that. We've seen it go up and down. We've seen them have like crazy selection, like where the entire side is with sneakers. We've seen them when there's like 4 rows of sneakers. So we've seen ups and downs. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing too crazy. If you want some deals on some basic stuff, not bad. Pretty similar to the Nike outlet price and stuff. The apparel, I'm always a fan of the apparel stuff here because you can find deals. The Mitchell and that stuff. Nothing that I want, but you know, some stuff that you guys might want. The Pro Standard pants, those are fire, dude. Yeah, so you can definitely find steals. You know, not every trip's gonna be crazy, but yeah, there was some decent stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Appreciate each and every one of y'all that do support the channel. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. My goal is a video every day. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.